Hello, my name is Linda, and I'm from Los Angeles, and my problems, these are the problems I have. I have digestive problems, I have asthma, I have a bad chronic cough, I have ringing in the ear, and I have, my nose is dry and it's stopped up, and I'm very tired, and I've had chronic fatigue syndrome. I had chronic fatigue syndrome for 4 years, and I was in bed. And what else? I forget.
Well, yeah, hi, my name is Francis. I'm Linda's husband, and we've been married for 9 years, going on 10. And one thing I remember before she came to Dr. Tong was that, she was extremely sick. She is getting better. I see that. I'm very happy for what Dr. Tong is doing. But I remember one day my wife invited me to this vegetarian restaurant. I'll just tell this story really quick. I don't know if you remember that. And we had a veggie burger. She was trying to get me off of my my bad eating habits. We had the veggie burger, and because of her sickness, the veggie burger triggered her asthma, and she couldn't breathe. And that day, I had to literally pick my wife up, take her to the car, put her in the car, and we had to drive home. And so she's been having asthma problems for a long time, and now she's able to breathe much better because of the treatments that I see that Dr. Tong is doing.
Okay, all my life I've really been really tired. When I was a little girl, my mother had really bad problems. She had migraine headaches for, I think, for 20 years, and when I was first born, I had pneumonia and almost died at like 2 years old. So I've really had problems all my life with colds, digestive problems. I've been fatigued most of my life.
Right. And okay, when we first got married, I couldn't believe. I mean, Linda had every vitamin known to the human race. Remember that? I mean, I just opened up the cabinets and every shelf was filled with this vitamin, this mineral, this supplement, this miracle, because you were trying an alternative to get well.
I've tried everything to get well.
Oh yeah, we tried all the different diets. She introduced me to the macrobiotic diet. I don't know if anybody out there knows the macrobiotic diet. We tried the vegan diet, and then you were even having a raw food diet?
Yeah, I ate raw food.
We were desperate.
She was in a vitamin business.
Yes, I could have bought the whole vitamins, but I've been really sick most of my life, and
yeah, it takes her forever to get out of the house. She is so slow but I understand because she's very tired. She doesn't have any energy.
I have no energy, and I'm really tired.
So you had repeated pneumonia. Okay, did the antibiotic help?
No, the antibiotic did not help the pneumonia. The only thing that helped the pneumonia was acupuncture.
So it's from somebody else.
Yes, and Chinese herbs.
Okay, you get rid of your pneumonia that way.
Yes, I did.
Okay. Now tell us the sinus problem and the ringing in the ear.
Okay, I've always had ringing in the ear for like a long, maybe 8 years or something like that, for a long time. Just the left ear, and I've always had sinus trouble, and my nose has been totally clogged up. Like this one's a little more clogged up than this one, but this one's getting to be clogged up, and it's been bothering me a lot. And I've been taking aspirin nose drops forever and ever. And I mean, I might as well, as much aspirin nose drops, I should be owning the company. I should have stocks in the company as much aspirin nose drops as I've used.
Yeah, no matter what time of the day or the night, when she ran out of aspirin, I had to go out and get her a emergency hit. But yeah, she would use aspirin. How long were you using that aspirin? I lost count.
At least about a year.
Are you still using it after my treatment?
Just a little bit, not like before.
Oh, a lot less now.
A lot less.
How much less?
How many times were you squirting your nose?
I was used to be squirting my nose like once every hour. I mean, all day long, once every hour. And now it's like maybe 3 times a day. It's a lot less.
That's good.
And the ringing in my ear is like gone right now. It's been driving me crazy, but I don't feel it right now.
We'll talk about that later. Let's talk about how many doctors have you seen?
Oh, I've seen all kinds of doctors.
How many?
Well, you saw the chiropractor up in the valley. You saw...
how many physicians? MDs.
Medical doctors?
Yeah.
Before you married me, you were seeing a lot of medical doctors, I think.
Quite a few. And then I quit going to medical doctors. Maybe like
Why?
6 or 7. Because I don't believe in medical doctors. I only believe in acupuncture and Chinese medicine.
What happens, we would go to the medical doctors and they would take tests on her. And all her tests would come back good. I mean, she's going there, she's sick. And then they do a test, and then the test says that she's okay.
And I didn't believe that's not true.
Yeah.
So
And I'm part Japanese, so I believe in
Oriental
medicine.
Okay.
Yeah.
How did you feel when you, how do you end up coming to see me? How do you find out about me?
My husband.
Yeah, I heard you on one of the radio shows,
Mm-hmm.
and I said, hey, my wife needs this person, my wife needs this doctor, this is the hope that we've been searching for.
Okay, describe to us how you feel when you first came to see me.
The first time I felt terrible. I mean, when you gave me the treatments, it
Yes.
made me feel stronger. The treatments
But
helped.
anyway, before the treatment, how do you feel? The sinus, breathing?
breathe, I had terrible asthma like I always have all my life. On the inhaler like every hour maybe. I'm not supposed to be on it that much, but I was on it a lot of times.
Coughing?
Coughing, I'm coughing. Sinus trouble, I can't breathe through my nose. Ringing in the ear. Exhausted, tired. Digestive problems. I've had digestive problems all my life. And and I take like sometimes 8 or 10 enzymes all at the same time because my food doesn't digest.
Yeah.
It still didn't help. Mm-hmm.
No.